this guy. Just follow the little tip. Just follow the little tip. Follow the little tip. Ignore the rest of it. Ignore this part and just follow the little tiny little tip. Okay. Just follow the little tip. Okay. Just follow. Just follow the little tip. Just follow. Just follow the tip. Just the tip. Just follow the little tip. Just follow. Just follow the tip. Just the tip. Just follow that little tip there. Okay. Just follow. Just follow the tip. Just the little Okay. Sometimes this guy's a little far away. I need you to keep your eyes on him because he comes close when you're least expecting it. Like that. Like that. He's a little troublesome bugger. Troublesome little bugger. He is a troublesome little bugger. Just watch him closely. Watch him closely. Or he'll get you when you're least expecting. Just watch the little tip of this again. Just watch the tip. Now, I want you to pick a corner of the screen. This corner, or this corner, or this corner, or this corner. Pick a corner of the screen. And if this guy pokes your corner, you have to move to a different corner. You have to move to a different corner. If he tickles your corner, you must move to a corner that isn't being tickled. I don't want you to get tickled. Okay? I don't want you to get tickled. I don't want you to get tickled. you now. Scan. I ordered this. It's called an LED chopstick. I know everybody has these, but I think they're cool. I ordered this thinking I would get two because it's chopsticks. But I only sent one. So I guess now I have to stab my sushi. I have to stab my sushi like that. And then eat my sushi. Like a barbarian. I want you to guess which finger gap he's gonna poke out from, okay? Guess which finger gap. 1, 2, or 3. Where's he gonna poke out from? How did you do? How did you do? Scan. Okay. I bet you did really, really well. I bet you did very well. I want you to can you just look up for me for a second? Just look up and don't look at the light. Just look up. Avoid the light. I know it's a bright light. Look up. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that. Can you look down? Look down at the bottom of your screen and avoid looking at the light directly. It's too bright for you and your beautiful little eyes. Yeah, I mean big, beautiful eyes. They're big and they're beautiful. Can you look to the right, please? Look to the right. I don't want you to hurt your little pupils and your retina. I don't want you to hurt your retina, okay? Now look to the left. Look to the left. And avoid hurting your little pupils and your iris and your little corneas, your big, beautiful, glassy, reflective cornea. I don't want you to hurt that cornea because corneas are not cheap to replace. Can you look up again for me? Look up. Just look up for a second. Just look up for a second. Okay. Perfect. But that is perfect. You're doing a very good job. Can you look down? Look down. Perfect. Good job. You're doing very good. You're doing a very good job looking down so that your big beautiful eyes don't get damaged. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Those eyes are just so beautiful. They're just beautiful, those eyes. Look to the right, quickly. I'm not giving you any time here. Look to the right. Okay. Alright. I think you don't need instructions anymore. Just look to the opposite side, the opposite edge of the screen from where the light is, okay? Okay, you do that. So right now, you should be looking on the right side of the screen, okay? Alright, and you have to switch quickly, because you don't know. You don't know when it's going to switch, okay? You need to be quick. You need to use all of your wits, You need to use every single wit that you've gathered for the day, okay? All of the wits. This is the time for wits. Very good job. An absolutely fantastic job you've done. Okay. You've done glorious job. A glorious job. Okay. This is the purple one. Okay. Purple. This is orange. Okay. Look at the orange and ignore the purple. Look at the orange and ignore this one here. And look at this one here. Okay. Look at this one here. This one here. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to reactivate them. And I want you to switch to the opposite one every time I reactivate them. So you were looking at the orange. Next time you're going to look at this one. You get it. Okay. Good job. 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 Okay. Now you should be looking at this one again. Okay. My timing was off. My timing was off. So now we gotta wait. Okay. See, they only work in just the right spot. Okay. Look at this one, I guess. I think. Ignore this one. Ignore this one here. Ignore it. Ignore this one. Look at this one. Ignore it. Okay. Okay, look at this one and ignore this one. Ignore this. Look at this one here. Okay. Ignore this one. Look at this one. Ignore. 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 Okay. Maybe this one lasts longer than this one. Why would that be? Light and a blue light. They're both just normal colored lights, but the case is red and blue. Okay, so I want you to follow the blue light and ignore the red light. Okay, follow this one and ignore this one. Okay, follow this one and ignore this one. Okay. Follow this light. Ignore this light here. I can follow this one. This is the one. Okay. Now I want you to follow the red one and ignore the blue. And now, when I touch them together, you switch which one you're following. So now follow this one. Now I want you to follow whichever one is further away. Okay, whichever one is further away. Okay, good, 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 good job. Good, 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 good job. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Now, I want you to just follow this light and ignore me as I just kind of clean your dusty little face. Your face is covered in what appears to be some kind of soot-like debris. Okay. So, forgive me, but I'm going to paw at your face to give you a nice, clean epidermis. Okay. Were you working in the mines? Were you working in the mines today? Is that what happened? Look over here, look over here. Look here, and now look over here, okay? Okay, just look right over here, okay? Just here. Okay, good job. Okay, good job. Nicely done. I think I got it. I think I got most of it. Most of it. I think I got most of it. Okay. I think I got it. You dirty little goose. I think I got it. Dirty little goose. You dirty goose. You got the dirty goose. I don't know. Here. Can you look at this and ignore this? Follow the tip of this and ignore this light. Follow the tip and ignore this bright light here. Can you do that? Can you do that? Just follow the tip of this here and ignore that. Just ignore that light. Okay. 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 Very good. 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 Excellent work, you. Excellent work, you there. Okay. Can you just do me a favor? Can you just look at this? I'm not going to light it up. Can you just look at this? Follow this around while I shine this light in your face, okay? I know it could be hard to see at times, but you need to kind of do what you can and anticipate a little bit where it is, okay? Just kind of anticipate. Use that big old smart brain of yours to anticipate where it is, okay? Even if you can't really see it, because the light is just shining. I just need you to look at this. It's very important. It's extremely important that you look at this and ignore this light, okay? This is of the utmost importance, okay? I wouldn't ask you to do something if it wasn't extremely important. Okay? The significance of which will become apparent in due time. Alright? Okay, just ignore the light though. And just look at this object. Okay? Just look at this object. Look at that object. Okay? Just look at that. Look at that object. Okay, and ignore this. Ignore this. Okay. What about this one? What about that one? It's orange. It's orange. Okay, just look at that. And ignore this. Okay. Just look at that, okay, and ignore this. Okay, just ignore that. How did you do with that? How did you do? How did you do? Tell me how you did. How you did. Can you just look? Just look here. Look here. And ignore the light. Look here. Look right here. Just ignore this. Okay. Okay, good. That's good. Can you look? Look here. Look right here. And ignore this. Look right here. Just look here. In space. In space. And ignore this. Okay. Can you look like right there? Just ignore this, okay? Look right there. Just look at this top edge. Right there. Can you do that? Okay. And just ignore this. Very good. Very good. Okay. One moment. I ask you for a moment of patience. Please be patient. Can you follow this light, the red light, and ignore these other lights? Okay, just follow the red and ignore the blue and the green lights. Right? Okay, I want you to switch to the blue light now. I want you to switch to watching the blue light and ignoring the red light and the green light. Just look at this blue, look at this blue light, and ignore this one, and just look at this one, okay? Can you do that for me? For me. Can you do that for me? Yes, you're doing a good job with that. You are doing it. Okay, look at this one. Look at the green one, okay? Look at that. It's so green. And ignore these two. Okay? And look at this one. Good. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Good. That's very good. Very good job. Very good job. Excellent. Can you pick one of those purple shapes to watch? Okay, pick one of those purple shapes to watch. Fixate your focus on one of those purple shapes. Okay. Alright. Good. Good. Okay. Now I want you to pick one of those green shapes, okay? Pick one of those green shapes. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. And now I would like you to focus on one of these purple triangles. Focus on the purple triangles. Focus on one of the purple triangles. Can you focus on? Pick one of those red shapes. One of the red shapes, just a single one. Can you pick one in the bottom row? One of the lower rows, okay? Pick one in the lower rows. Pick one in the lower rows. Okay. Good job. Good job. I would like you to pick one of the green shapes. One of the green shapes in the middle row to look at. Excellent job. What about this one? What about this one? I want you to fixate your attention to the center. The center. The very center within that ring. There's a center. Can you see the center? Can you see the center? Just look there. Just focus. Right. Oh my goodness. Can you focus right in can actually make it brighter. It's so bright that it destroys the camera. Okay. Okay. I want you to look in the center of this paper roll, toilet paper roll. Okay. Look in the center and ignore the light. Ignore the light. Ignore it. Just look in the center of this. And when the light passes by like that, you can blink. You can do a blink. Okay. You can do a nice blink when it passes in the center. You can do a nice blink. Okay. Well done. Well done. Okay. Let's just wind it down now. Let's just wind it down now. Just wind it down and you can follow the tip. You can follow the very tip of this as we just start to calm down and relax. Maybe you're getting quite sleepy now. I think I'm getting very sleepy now. I think I'm getting very sleepy. Yes. Just watch the tip of that, okay? Just watch the tip of that. Just look at the tip of that. Just the very tip of that. Yeah. Are you watching just that tip? Just that very tip. Just watch the very tip. Just watch the tip of that. Just watch the tip. Can you tell me how many times the light pops in on the side of the screen? Just look at my eyes or my nose, okay? Just look at my eyes or my nose and count. How many times was that? 4 times is correct. 4 times, okay. Let's try it on this side, okay? Just look at my nose or something. How many times? That was 5 times. That was 5 times. Just look at the very tip. Can you just look at that? Here, I'll make it easy for you. I'll make it easy for you, okay? I'll make it real easy. Here it comes. There you go. That's pretty easy, huh? There you go. There you go. Can you do me a favor? I just need this favor. I need you to tell me when you see the light coming into frame, okay? Just when you see it, that's it. Just let me know that. Just let me know. Oh, thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Just let me know when you see it, okay? The light itself. The light itself, not like that, but like that, okay? I'm getting very tired. Yeah. Okay. Just let me know. I tricked you. I turned the light off. It's off. Now it's on. Did you count that? Just say it. It's there. Say, Mr. Klomp, I see it now. Okay, just let me know. Wait, I didn't tell you to count them, did I? No. I was wrong. I was wrong to say that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Well. Well then. Maybe we'll just wind it down now. Just wind it down. Okay? Get you sleeping. Get you sleeping real soon. Following some lights. Following a little bit of light there. Go real slow. Go real slow for you. Okay? I'll go real slow just for you. Not that you need it to be slow, but maybe it's more relaxing if you just take your time. Okay? Or we can go like a little bit of a nice figure eight kind of shape. A little faster. And just go slowly again. Just go slowly again, okay? Maybe a little faster now. Wait, I know what we can do. I know what we can do. We can draw some stuff, and you can guess what I'm drawing, okay? Here we go. It could be anything. It could be a number or a letter or a little picture or something, okay? What do you think this is? Okay, are you ready? What do you think that is? Very tired. Yeah, it's a square. That's right. Okay, what about this one? What about this one? That was a house. A little house. I'll show you again. Look. The house part. The roof. The roof, other side. And the wall. That was a house. Pretty good, huh? Not bad. Okay, what is this? What is this? What was that? A triangle. No. I'll show you again. What is that? That is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Did you get it right? Okay, what about this? What's that? Yes, it's the number 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, how about this? What is that? I'll do it again. It could be a 0 or an O or a ball or a circle. It's up to you. I'll let you decide, okay? It could be a planet, that's true, or the moon. Well, that's probably enough. It's probably enough, eh? Okay, well, you have a good sleep. You have a good sleep. I'll see you next time. Bye.